Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Today we'll be learning how to draw lips and eyes in a simple and effective way. So first we have the tutorial on how to draw lips, and after that the eyes tutorial. Just as you saw, we start by drawing 2 lines for the lips, 1 in the middle and 2 on the top and bottom of the middle line, and they must be shorter than the middle line. So the only thing left is to color it. For coloring, we use a brush and start from the center of the lips to spread the color out. Now let's move on to this tutorial on how to draw eyes. We start by sketching a simple outline with a pencil to make sure that eyes and eyebrows are aligned. You can use parallel lines to ensure that. Then we use a gum eraser to reduce the darkness of the pencil so that it doesn't mix with the colors we will use later. Now we'll start to add color. You can use any colors you like for the eyes, skin and eyebrows, as there are no limits in art and painting. Well, that's today's video. Thanks for watching and I hope it was useful for you. If you have any suggestions for the next tutorial or ASMR drawing video, please let me know in the comments. I read all the comments and I am very grateful for them all. Thanks for your support. See you friends in the next video. Bye bye.